JavaScript crash course tutorial. Let's just jump right into it. So first thing I want you to do is install Visual Studio Code. Once you are done with Visual Studio Code, we are going to create a folder right on our home page, and we're going to call it JavaScript crash course. Now inside of this folder, we're going to create just a few files, and I'll show you how. First, we're going to open up our Visual Studio Code. Once our Visual Studio Code is open, let's hit Command O, and we will open our JavaScript crash course folder. Once this folder is open, we will go inside of this folder and hit this plus sign over here to create a new file. Now this new file, we will just call it index.html, like so. All right, I'm going to hit Command B. You can probably hit Control B if you're on Windows, and you can hide this. I'll show you how to run JavaScript in your browser. We won't be dealing with Node or any of that complexity. We will try to keep it pretty damn simple. So we're going to run HTML from we're going to run JavaScript from our index.html file. Here's a shortcut. Just do doc, hit tab, and hit save. So it's going to write the bare bone HTML code you need to kind of get started. And where our JavaScript code we will put it for now is we will put it right over here and test it out. Now, in between these script tags is where you will write JavaScript code. In the future, I'll show you how you create a JavaScript file and then write your code there. I'm going to say console.log hello. And now we're going to open up a Chrome tab like so. I'm going to hit Command O, or you can hit Control O, go to index.html and open that right up. And then hit inspect. Okay. Make sure you're using Chrome, please, because you're going to need to use the Chrome Dev Tools in this. And on the right hand side, what you see is that it says hello. Now I'm going to hit save and refresh. You should see that hello again. If I copy this code and I paste it here and I come here and refresh, now you should see two hellos. If I write alert and I say yo, come over here and refresh, you see it says yo in big letters, or sorry, as an alert like that. This now should make sure that you are running your JavaScript code, and now you should be ready to go on to the more advanced things that we are going to be working on. So before we continue any further, I'm going to show you how you create your own JavaScript file, link it to your HTML file, and then we're going to be coding strictly in our JavaScript file from now till the end of the tutorial. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.